Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something we've all dealt with at some point, money mistakes. Whether you're trying to save for a big goal or just manage your monthly expenses, avoiding these common pitfalls can make a world of difference. Stay tuned, because in this video, I'll not only highlight 5 common money mistakes, but also share practical tips to help you avoid them and build a stronger financial future. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. Did you know that nearly 60% of Americans fall into this cycle? It's easy to see how it happens: rising expenses, unexpected emergencies, and just the general cost of living. How to avoid it? Start by tracking your expenses. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to figure out where your money is going. From there, create a budget and stick to it. Even setting aside just 5 to 10% of your income for savings can help you break out of this cycle. Remember, small changes lead to big results over time. Mistake number 2. Not having an emergency fund. Life happens, whether it's a sudden medical bill, car repair, or job loss, you need a safety net. How to avoid it? Financial experts recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in an emergency fund. If that feels overwhelming, start small. Save $500 first, then build from there. Automate your savings so you don't even have to think about it. Trust me, future, you will thank you for it. Mistake number 3. Relying on credit cards too much. Don't get me wrong, credit cards can be great for building credit or earning rewards, but when you're using them to live beyond your means, it's a slippery slope. How to avoid it? Set a monthly spending limit on your credit card, and pay off the balance in full each month to avoid high interest fees. If you're already in credit card debt, prioritize paying it down using methods like the avalanche or snowball method. Also, ask yourself this question before making a purchase: do I really need this? Or can it wait? Mistake number 4. Ignoring retirement savings. It's easy to think, I'll start saving later, but the truth is, the earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound interest. How to avoid it? If your employer offers a 401k with matching, take full advantage of it. It's free money. If not, consider opening an IRA. Aim to save at least 15% of your income for retirement, and don't be afraid to start small. Even $50 a month can grow significantly over time. Mistake number 5. Not investing your money. Keeping your cash in a savings account is safe, but it's not helping you grow your wealth. In fact, with inflation, you're actually losing purchasing power over time. How to avoid it? Start investing in simple, low-risk options like index funds or ETFs. Platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Robinhood make it super easy to get started, even if you only have $50 or $100 to invest. The key is to be consistent and think long-term. And there you have it, 5 common money mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember, building good financial habits takes time, but every small step gets you closer to your goals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on personal finance, saving, and investing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Comment below, and let me know which of these tips you're going to try first, or share your own money saving strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.